Hello, welcome to my presentation. I chose to do it on the Mid-Atlantic region. I hope you enjoy. The Mid-Atlantic region consisted of the colonies New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, and not Maryland. This map is weird. Many types of people lived here, including farmers, workers, and Quakers. This region had many specializations, of which were livestock, grains, and fish. The Mid-Atlantic region depended on southern colonies for rice, tobacco, indigo, and forest products. They relied on the New England region for metal tools and equipment. This region had the Appalachian Mountains, many wide, deep rivers and harbors, and rich farmland, as well as a moderate climate. This region had villages and cities with varied religions and languages. Political life was based on market towns, where crops and other goods and services were sold.